Life's like a road that you travel on. There's one day here and the next day gone. Sometimes you bend, sometimes you stand, sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every darkened door where blues won't haunt you anymore. Where the brave are free and lovers soar. Come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate to lay down garden days. There's not much time left to wait. Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. If you're going my way, well, I wanna drive it all night long. Through all these cities and all these towns, it's in my blood and it's all around. I love you now like I loved you then. This is the road and these are the hands. From Mozambique to those Memphis nights, the Cabo Pass of Vancouver's lights. And knock me down and back up again. You're in my blood, I'm not an older man. There's no road I can hold, the road's so rough, this I know. I'll be there when the light comes in. Just tell me where to find it.
Alrighty guys, so everything should be unbolted now. Let's see how we go. See if she'll come on.
A little bit more rust over here, a little bit in the front but not too bad, so pretty easy to save. This is the worst bit of rust in the whole vehicle, but should be savable. Just gonna take a bit of time. Alright, let's get this grille, headlights and get them out, put the new ones in, see how they go. Alrighty guys, so we got the headlights and grille in. It's just very loosely fitted, but looks pretty good. So I really am happy with the result. Looks really good, real tidy. Brings it up, makes it a bit more modern and makes it look a bit crankier in my opinion.